Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to block a phone number on iPhone, or how to block a number on iPhone. So obviously the first thing you're going to want to do is unlock your phone and then go over to your calls section. So I'll click on the call button and you're going to want to go over to your recent calls. If someone has been calling you and annoying you, find that number. For example, this 1-800 number, I'm going to click on this I button to the right hand side, click on it. And then I'm gonna scroll down all the way to the very bottom and then you'll see block this caller. So I'm gonna click on that and block contact. And as of right now, this contact number is blocked, so they can't text or call me. So if you later on decide you want to unblock them, you could just go back in and click on unblock this caller. So that is how you block a phone number on iPhone. If this video helped you out, feel free to leave a like. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.